Hello guys, this is Aman. I'm gonna be playing Garden of Banban 2 Part 3. Check Part 1 before you see this video. So let's just load game from where we ended. Oh, we should do this again. Have to do this again. We have to do the opila bird chase, and I have a doubt in how hot is the sun? Like, is it sea life kid, popular kid? What kid is it? That thing kids to try. After lunch break.
I want you all to welcome our newest student. You're late to class. Don't slide this time since it's your first day, but be late again and have repeated pieces.
Like, I'm confused. Like, she was saying, like, no breathing, no moving. Like, how do we live without breathing? I know this.
So, the first lesson of the day is math. Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and... Oh, wait, I made a mistake. I think that's lesson 4 of the day. For math, over the course of the semester, you will learn to add, subtract, divide, multiply, and so much more. I am so excited. Before we start, let's revise some of the basics. What is 68741
This being smart kid. I don't know what to do after lunch break.
And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished.
785606354.
Correct! You kids are really paying attention today.
Next is smart kid.
And one that I wrote myself. What is 2 plus 2?
4.
Correct! Wow, I thought everyone would get it wrong.
Nobody would even get 2 plus 2 wrong.
Lunch break. What is
Dramatic
misery
kid.
plus disappointment?
My life. Like,
Correct!
that doesn't make sense.
Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for math today. Go to your lunch break, and then we'll start the next lesson when you come back.
Life. Yeah. Collect the chewing gum. Even like, why chewing gum with somebody ate it and sticked it all over the wall? That's disgusting, bro. So disgusting. And now put the disgusting chewing gum here. There's more. Like, why chewing gum that somebody ate? Like, it's disgusting. So disgusting. And you guys are not the cool kids. You're the unpopular kids. No, you're the disgusting kids. Here's Gordon's money. Give me my friend. Here you go. Now, open this. Now we are the cool kids, but I don't chew gum. Now I have a doubt. How hot is the sun? Banban is going to tell there's a naughty kid.
Attention everyone. This announcement concludes your lunch break. Please return to your classes.
Okay.
Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student.
That's me.
Believed to be accompanied by a drone. If you catch them,
But
call Principal
who
Banban's
is?
office immediately.
Who is, like, how hot is the sun? Is it popular?
You didn't see the person they're talking about, did you?
Popular kid or loud kid?
You're one of the cool kids. Of course you don't talk to ugly, unpopular kids like that. Take a seat with the cool kids where you belong.
This, I guess,
Okay,
popular kid.
the next lesson is science. Like we did for math, and since this is the first science lesson of the semester,
Yeah.
it will only be a review lesson. But first, let me introduce you to our classroom rules.
Okay.
No eating,
No moving,
talking,
no breathing. How do you live without
asking
breathing?
questions, and no washing breaks. Remember, I will have to punish you very, very harshly if you break any of those rules. Back to the review.
How do
Let's
you
start
live?
with something easy. How hot is the sun?
Popular kid maybe?
Nothing's as hot as me.
I think that's
I lied, but only because it made me laugh and because you're a cool kid. I can tell by your very cool glasses. Next question. How many hearts does an octopus have?
An octopus lives in the sea, so I guess sea life as
Correct!
stingerflin. That
That's
orange
right.
jellyfish.
Since Stingerflint is close to an octopus, he's a jellyfish. But I'll allow it, since you're a cool kid.
Why?
Octopuses have 3 hearts. We humans have 1. And Stingerflint has... I'm not sure actually, but let's move on.
Okay, maybe 0?
We have 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, touch, and... Correct!
Scream? Oh, scream.
You just made me use my 5th sense. Close enough. I'll allow it. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for science for today. Go on to
Next you're going to mean kid?
start the next lesson when it's over.
Okay. What's... You wanna join us, punk? Give me some lunch money? Why, bro? Some lunch money to him. I feel bad for stealing these people's lunch money. I feel bad for stealing lunch money. I really feel bad. This money. I'm taking your friend's lunch money. Don't mind me, okay? More money? You want more? I don't see any lunch money. Is it with the cool kids? I'm sorry, bro. I have to steal your lunch money to join, please. Now this, what's inside? A golden ball, a golden bowling ball.
Attention everyone. This announcement concludes your second break.
Okay,
Please return to your classes.
this is banban.
Oh, wow! 3 new kids in one day?
Here.
One unpopular kid? Yuck. One cool kid and one mean kid. Welcome! Sit at the table to your left where you belong so we can begin.
Okay.
Okay, kids. The next lesson is health
Health
and
and kindness.
Just like we did for math and science, it will only be a review lesson.
A review lesson.
Let's start with some common knowledge to freshen your stupid brains. Can
My brain is not
give
stupid.
me an example of an unkind person?
Unkind money taker.
I will beat you to death. Correct!
Okay.
That is a perfect example. Good job.
To that kid.
Assuming it wasn't directed at me, of course. Now, this time, can anyone give me an example of a kind person?
Mean.
I will give you immense pain. Correct!
Huh?
Exactly. Give
Okay, that makes no
without
sense.
expecting anything in return is exactly what kindness is. This class is going to be great. I can feel it.
You can feel it. I cannot.
Wait, what was that? I wonder if it's a new student. Nobody move while I check it out.
Wait. Are we gonna escape pressing the drone button? This is like school escape. Escape school. Escaping school. Huh?
No, not again. I actually tried to be a good teacher this time.
What do you mean? Like, I barely understand what you teach to me. What's that? Are those? What are those? Oh, they look cute. Are they baby opila birds? It's dark. What should I do with them? Wait, I can interact with them, but I cannot see in the dark. So this makes it way harder catching. I think we have to interact with them or something like that. I'm playing catch and catch with opila bird. Well, this is so frustrating. I can catch one. They are running everywhere. I just come. I'm taking you to your nest. Why did I just leave that bird? So they freeze when it's dark. I can't even catch one. Bro, this is so frustrating. At least I'll be happy if I at least catch one. They move. Like I was riding the opila bird, the baby opila. This is so frustrating. I'll not move. I think we have to just. This is impossible. Where are you going? So I have to like. At least for one, I have to take 6 of them. This is impossible. I have to add 6 of them. Why did I drop that? This. I got 2. I have got 4 more to go. Did I just miss the closest one? Where are you? Where are you? It's so hard to see in the dark. Now, 3 more to go. Two more to go. 2 more. I don't see a bird anyway. First of all, where are the birds? They are nowhere. Are they here? Where are the birds? I can hear them. I think I got everything. Huh? Let me check. There are still more. Are they here? No, they are not there. Where are the birds? Okay, now I'll be happy if I at least find the birds. The birds are not here. What's this key card? I think I have to open this door. And why are the lights flickering? Opila bird. Maybe because I didn't put all the birds. But where are the birds? Everything again. I have to catch everyone again. I have to do this. Guys, I'll see you after I do this everything again. Oh, it's floating. Oh, it's floating. It's floating. Now, to do this. Now we have to go here. What? Slow, Seline? You are actually slow. You don't go fast. What do you do? What do we do there? Please don't make me do that all over again. Please don't make me do that frustrating level all over again.
Hello.
What? What? Wait, I think we have to go to that orange door.
Where are you hiding?
Nowhere. I'm hiding near you. Oh, finally. What's this level? Guys, I'll do this level in the next episode. So, bye bye.